こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today, katakana lesson number 5. The last one, 5番目. The first one is la. Today we're going to learn ラリルレロ and 和音。La, this is katakana la, and this one is hiragana. The first stroke is 1 and second one 2. Like this. This one is katakana fu, hahi fu, and this is la. This part is here in the second stroke of la. So the first stroke is quite short and going to the right, a little bit going up. And second one, and this is a little bit longer, and you are going to your left like this. This is the same as fu here. La. The sound of larilurero with R or larilurero with L, it doesn't matter because we Japanese people can distinguish very well about R and L sound. So maybe you can listen larilurero with R or larilurero with L, but it's the same for us. Ri. This is hiragana ri and this is katakana ri. Almost the same. Only the difference, ri in hiragana is a little bit circular, but ri in katakana, it's not so circular like in hiragana, but almost the same. One, first stroke, and second stroke, like this. Ri. Now the important point of ri is this is from up to down and up to down. This one is katakana so. Quite similar, but the difference, you see, so it's also up and down, but it is a little bit like this. Go inside. But ri, the first stroke, it must be directly to the down. It's the difference, okay? And the second one is also direct. At first directed to the down, and the last part is you are going to your left. But so it's much more like this, but quite similar. So be careful. Now, ru. Ru in hiragana was much more difficult than ru in katakana. First stroke, it is like this. 1. You are going to your outside. 1. And second one from here, just going straight down, and here it will jump, and this is about 45 degrees about it. So 1 and 2. Ru. Next one is re. This is re from hiragana and re from katakana. Much easier. In the first stroke, only one stroke, just straight down, and here a little bit jump. About 45 degrees. Look at these two katakanas. This is ru and this is re. Ru and re. The second stroke of ru is just as the same as re. Right? This one and this one is the same. Ru, re. Now please look at these two letters. This is shi, but from hiragana. Sashi, suseso, shi. And this is re. Do you know the difference? Shi is here. This is not so angular, not so sharp, angular. But here it's quite sharp angle. Boom. 1. This is re and this shi. She is quite circular. Ro. This one, hiragana ro, and this is katakana ro. But at the same time, this is katakana ro, but this is kanji. And this means mouth. Mouth. It looks like mouth, right? Well, the stroke order. The first one is this one, the red line. From here to the down, but a little bit diagonal to inside. 1. And the second stroke is from here, the same point, 2. And here, this is also, there's, you must come to the down, but also inside. So it's like this. You're going a little bit inside. 1 and 2, And the last stroke is you close this point and this point. 4. This is ro, larirure, ro. And also we say kuchi. Kuchi, it means the mouth. Wa. This is hiragana wa and katakana wa. Much easier as usual. The first stroke, this red one, going down, but as usual, a little bit going inside. 1, and second line from this point, a little bit going up a little bit, and here, like this. But this one is a little bit circular, this point, okay? So 1 and 2, this is wa. Please be careful with these two katakanas. They are quite similar, but there's difference. Go here, the first stroke is you are going just like a no from katakana. 1. So going outside. But wa, you must go to inside and stop. And ku is like shun, let it go. And second stroke in ku, like this one. And also this is quite sharp angle. Ku. So you are going like this and ku. But wa, 1 and 2, and this is quite circular. And ku is like this, and wa is like this. It's the difference, okay? Ku, wa. Now, wo. This is hiragana wo and katakana wo. And you might think, oh, what happened with we and we? But we've got only wa, wo, instead of wa, we, wo, we, wo. In hiragana and katakana, we don't have any letters to say we or we. But we've got some ways to write these katakanas. But like one letter, we, it doesn't exist nowadays. When we want to say we write like this. This is katakana u and small I. We. This is we. For example, I want to say Wien. This is the capital of Austria. Wien. We. And this is we. U and e. Big u and small e. Then we pronounce we. We. So the stroke order of wo is like this. The first one, 1, and second one, 2. So 2 lines, 2 short lines, 1 and 2, parallel. And the third stroke is from here, the ending point of the first stroke, and you must through here, like this, and going inside. This is wo. So 1, 2, and 3. This is the right order to write wo. But many people get confused with like this 1 and 2. But it's not like this. So be careful. 1, 2. 2 lines before and after the last one here. Wo. But I must tell you, this is the letter wo. But actually, I think we never use this letter. Instead, when we want to say wo, we write like this. U and o and wo. For example, very famous person, Walt Disney, we write with wo, like this. We don't use this one. Maybe in the near future, this letter might be disappeared. I don't know. But still, we've got this wo, but we use always with like this way. The last letter is N sound. This is from hiragana N, and this is katakana. First stroke 1 and 2. It seems easy, but it's not easy. Do you know why I say this is quite difficult? Because you must think in the line like this, to the side, to think about the side line, like horizontally. This is but this is so. And in this case, you must think of the like a verticality, the vertical. You are going down, always from up to the down, up to the down. this is so, but and you're not going up to the right. From the left to the right. From left to the right. So this is different. So, and these are very confusing. So be careful. The other point, so is from the up. So this here is higher, or the same, or a little bit higher than the first stroke. But in the case of this one, 1 and 2. So you are not going too much. If you are going too long, then it might be very confusing. So this point must be under here. Never going too much. Okay? This is But so you begin from the higher place. So please practice these two letters. So, I'm gonna remember you these two letters, shi and both the same case, that you must think about the line from the left to the right. Shi and it's quite similar. The shi, 1, 2, 3. Only 2 strokes, 1 and 2. Actually, the last part is about the same as okay? So you always think about the horizontal line. To the line to the right. Left to the right. Like this. Never the vertical line. Okay? Shi and like this. This is very important. So we've learned 8 letters today. Ra리ルレロand waon. Let's see again. La, li, lu, le, ro, wa, wo. We also learned when we want to say we, wo, we usually write like this. We, u and e. We, u and e. We, u and o. Wo. So today's video was the last one of katakana writing, katakana. With these katakanas, you can write your name, your foreigner's name or foreign country's names like this. So it's very important. We use quite a lot katakana too. As you see, katakana writing is not so difficult, but it's so easy to forget them. But I've got already many katakana tests videos, so you can watch them to practice. I will put the playlist of katakana in the description below. With hiragana and katakana, you can write everything in Japanese. Well, of course, we've got kanji, but kanjis are more difficult. But now the next step is to write kanji, little by little. Japanese writing is the mixture of hiragana, katakana, and also kanji. If you think this video was useful for you, and if you liked my channel, please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to give me a like. And I appreciate if you can share my videos with your friends. That's gonna be a great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日はカタカナの最後のレッスンでした。ラリルレロとワオンを勉強しました。気に入ってくださいましたか？そうだったらぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタンお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても嬉しいです。そしてこのカタカナは簡単だけどとても忘れやすいですから、これからもどんどん練習してください。私のチャンネルにはカタカナテストのビデオがたくさんありますから、カタカナのプレイリストからそれを見つけて頑張って練習してください。じゃあまたお会いしましょう。バイバイ。